Yesterday, a student asked me, "Sir, how much water do we need daily?" Actually, when we talk about daily water intake, it is not just a random number. It is based on how much our body loses every day through urine, sweat, breathing, and stool. On average, kidneys excrete about 1.5 liters urine daily. Skin and lungs together loss around 700 to 1000 ml as insensible water. Stool accounts for 100 to 200 ml. So if we add these, the body losses roughly about 2.5 liters per day. That is why they recommended oral intake for a healthy individual is about 2 to 3 liters daily. But this is not fixed. This is not fixed. The requirement increases with hot climate, excessive sweating, physical activity like exercise, long work shifts. Okay. For example, take an example of a worker working for 12 hours under AC, working on chair for the whole day. So the water requirement here is just about 1.5 to 2 liter. Now, if we talk about a worker who is working for a day under a hot climate, under a hot sun, so in this case, the normal daily requirement of water increases. It is almost about 2 to 3 liters of water and 2.5 liters to 3 liters of water per day. Now, if we talk about an athlete, if we talk about a weightlifter, if we talk about a runner, so there is an increased loss of water through sweating, through respiration. So in this case, the normal requirement of water increases. So there is more loss of fluids, which makes it evident that the person needs more fluids. The person needs more intake of fluids. But there are certain medical conditions such as fever, diarrhea, vomiting, or kidney disorders, which tells us that how much water intake a person needs. Conditions, so these medical conditions, they affect the requirement of water intake. Signs of adequate hydration are scientific too. If your urine is pale yellow, hydration is good. If it is dark, that means the body is consuming water. It is also important. It is also important to note that hydration does not come from plain water alone. Fruits, vegetables, milk, tea, coffee, and even metabolic water from oxidation add to the balance. So the science is simple. To maintain normal physiology, replenish what you lost. For most adults, that's 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Thank you.